Hey everybody, this is Junior again, coming from Tilly Harley-Davidson in Salisbury. This is our weekly video coming from the parts department here. This week we're going to talk about cell phone holders. Ciro makes a nice product. It has been out for a while. It has, and we're just going to go over it, show you a little bit about it and how the installation and what was required for installation. Okay, here we have the Ciro cell phone holder. I got it laid out here. What you will need is a 3/16 Allen, a T27 socket. This is your main part. That is your phone holder. Your nut to tighten it on the stem. Here's your stem to mount onto the perch. 2 Allen screws and 2 spacers. This is what is included in the kit for installation, other than the tools. Okay, the first thing you want to do, this is where your clamp will mount to. Basically, it's like this with your spacers in between it. So what I do first is I basically loosen both just a little bit. And what I like to do is take the bottom one out first for your first installation. And the reason I leave one in, that way it doesn't separate and it doesn't slide forward, that way to keep it in position. Basically what I do is take your stem, your spacer, there's your spacer, here's 1 Allen. What you do is take your Allen, put it in the front side, spacer on the back side. Position it right here in the hole. Take your 3/16 Allen. I just get it started pretty good where you can have some movement and you'll be able to put the top one in. Take your T27 again. Take the top screw out. Once again, your second Allen and your second spacer. I'm going to go back to the bottom just a little bit to loosen it up to give myself room to put the spacer in on the top. Once your spacer is in position, put the Allen head in. I'll grab my 3/16 again. Pull up on the master cylinder a little bit. That way it puts it back into position. Then I'll go down and tighten up the bottom one. Get it good and tight. Come back up to the top just to double check. Bottom once more with a pull. On top with a pull. Like I said, you get them getting snug. You don't want to strip nothing out. Once this is installed, this bracket here is your next step. And your nut. Basically what you do is take the nut, slide it over the ball. And this slider piece here, you'll take it, push it on the ball till it snaps. Once you have got this snapped on the ball, you can see your nut is here. You just pull up on the nut. What it does, you get it on the threads. I generally hold this piece too. I'll tighten it up. It spins on like that. And what you do is you tighten it. Once it is tight, everything is in position, it's locked in, but it will let you swivel back and forth on the ball. It will not come off. Like I said, it is tight. And that's the installation of the Ciro cell phone holder. Okay everyone, once you have the nut tightened on the back, you can see everything is snug. basically you have an adjustment right here. You twist it to go out and twist it in to go in. And that gives you your adjustment for your cell phone here. So basically all you do is twist it out, sit your cell phone in the bottom here, and basically I'm going to hold on to the phone, which I like to. This one I'm going to turn in. And you can see it sit in here. It's got little notches right here. It grips onto the phone. So you turn in to the desired tightness of the phone. Takes a few seconds here. That one's in there pretty snug. Once you got your phone in here nice and snug, you twist this arm up, which that puts it into lock position. And you're set and you're ready to go for the road. Alright everyone, one more thing I want to show everybody. The installation on these was very simple. I do carry two different kinds of the Ciro cell phone holders. And this is your basic cell phone holder. It's basically installed like we did it. The one I have in my hand, this is the other one that we carry. It does have a chargeable link to where you see at the bottom you can plug in the power and also a cord for your cell phone. And that way when you're going down the road you can charge your cell phone up. Like I said, this one is a little more in depth than what I showed you on the basic install, because the one with the charger does come with wire, and basically what you'd have to do is run this under the tank. It takes more tools to do it. It's just a little more in depth, but the basic one is real easy, like I showed you in the illustration. We do carry both of them in stock. One of them is $94.95, which is the one with the charger, where your capability of charging your phone going down the road. The other one, the standard one, is $64.95. Like I said, we do carry them both in stock. And once again, that is our video for the week. This is Junior coming from Tilly Harley Davidson of Salisbury. I ride with Tilly.